Hello guys, this is Kiran Academy and welcome back to this new video. So in this new video, I am going to show you how you guys can extract data from any image so that you can understand or get to know more about that image. Like what is the location from where the picture has been taken, which location of that person where he has taken that picture, what is the date when it was created. So let's go through it and let's just start the video. And this video is based upon Kali Linux. If you know how to use it, then you can easily understand how it is going and what are the work things. So for now, we are going to use a tool that is called ExifTool. So for understanding this, you can come to the manual page, that is man space ExifTool. It will take some time because I don't know, my Kali Linux has some issues. There is no lag in the system, but it lags sometimes. No issue. Here you can see the manual page. So basically, ExifTool works upon that. It reads the data in the inside the image. Like whatever you take a picture, a data is generated. That is called metadata. That is readable through this tool, and using this tool, you can get more deeper inside that image, like all the details of the image. Here is the manual page. You can write man and then a space ExifTool. Here you can see there are lots of file types. It supports. So for now, let's come back to the point. So in this video, I have some pictures taken from my device, my friend's device, and from a Snapchat also. And this tool can extract data, but not like that you guys are thinking, like you will take a screenshot of anybody else and you will give this tool that like extract the data. Then it will not work like that. You need the exact picture, like whatever the picture is uploaded over anyone's profile or whatever you are thinking of, you need to get the same photo, not through a screenshot or by cropping. The same image should be downloaded and uploaded here. So for now, this is my friend's phone picture, and this is mine. This is also mine, and these three are also mine. So let's understand how this works. First, we will take the third party, in which the Snapchat one, so that we can understand that it is really working or not. So for that, you just need to give this ExifTool a space. Oh, again a glitch. Just a second, it will be fine. Now it's fine. Oh, sorry, fuck. And now, yes, ExifTool and then image name, exact name. And here you can see the data has been extracted, and here you can see there is not much data available, but it is read write, read write. So here you can see very less things available, even the device manufacturer model, because I have used a Snapchat in this. It means if you will do any editing or like after that you will export that image and you are thinking that you can extract data, then you can't. Okay. So for this, now let's move to the image which is taken from my device. We will copy this and then we will write exif to then a space and this one. Here you can see we get some more data better than this, but not much data like the locations and from where, which phone, which device it is taken. Okay. But some more data than the Snapchat one. So this is the way how you can extract data. Pretty simple. And the third one is this picture. I have already tested this thing, so you will get the most of the data here. Here you can see this picture is clicked in India. This is the time when it was clicked. It is 17th of December and 3 p.m. Okay, here you can see some more data, and here is no flash. Here is offset time, original time. Everything is here, and here you can see it is clicked by Samsung SMN986P. Here you can see more data, and if and not always you will get the same result like this. The more data the image will store, the more chances that you can extract the data. If the data contains the location, it will give you in degrees format. Okay, so it is pretty simple. It is not like that you will take a screenshot and you will say this tool to extract the data. That's all. Okay, I hope you guys understood. So the main thing in this video was to understand how to use the EXIF tool to extract data. The data already is stored in this. You can also use any other tools also if you know. So for now, this was only in this video. Let's see you guys in the new video. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more content like this.